Hi, I'm Elis Klar. I'm from Israel. I'm 32 years old. I've been developing web applications for the last decade or so. I've been a consultant for the last 6 years. I've started my involvement with Bitcoin in around 2011. Since then, I've been running a few projects in Bitcoin, including SafeBit, and I've established my reputation in the Bitcoin community alongside with the Israeli Bitcoin community, which is currently 5,000 members, and helping to establish the Israeli Bitcoin Association and the Global Bitcoin Alliance. Today, I'm introducing to you Nyikit, which is my project for HackerGold. And Nyikit is something I've been working on in the last year or so, conceptually, and even slightly dabbling into actually writing something. Nyikit is a financial collaboration platform. It allows you as a user to create accounts that you can configure what did they do when they receive money and when they expend money. What I mean by that, let's assume that you and me are creating right now a work of art or a WordPress module or any kind of content that we want to sell together. Traditionally, these are very hard things to do in the existing landscape, financial landscape. You would need to create a company or an LLC. You would need to sign a bunch of forms. You would need to apply to a bunch of regulations, verification, KYC, AMLs, all that applies tenfold for companies and financial collaborations. My project aims to reduce that friction into almost nothing. And it does that by allowing the user three simple tools. The first tool is allowing you to create accounts that can be configured as part of other accounts, meaning that you and I, we can create an account that receives money and expends it, let's assume 50-50 for something that we sold. Let's say we create a WordPress plugin and we sell it for $100. Whenever somebody buys that plugin, we each receive 50% of that $100. But let's assume a little bit further that someone else is joining our little team, but from the side, and wants to include our work together in their project, in their product, and they want to sell on the product along with ours. Nyikit allows you to do that easily by assigning that product as part of a different product. That's the second part of Nyikit's foundation. The first part is accounts within accounts. The second part is products within products. And the third part is communities. Finding what to sell and where to sell is a really hard problem today, and where to sell it. Users need to know exactly what it is that they want to sell and get to know the market and what kind of platform is suitable for them. Are you selling digital content? Are you selling secondhand content? Are you selling content? Are you selling apartments or cars, new, old? It's all very different depending on the product that you sell, depending on the service that you provide, depending on the content that you want to receive money for. You have to choose what platform to go to. Nyikit wants to solve all that and reduce the friction to almost nothing. I'm looking for people to join my project who have some experience with marketing and getting some traction with the social networks, and also obviously coders who are capable with JavaScript stack, AngularJS, Node.js, and familiar with Heroku. But that's all optional. It's all easy, and everybody can learn that. So my expectations for the project during the hackathon is to be able to allow users to create accounts that can receive Bitcoins and expend them however the user configures. So you and I will be able to create an account at the end of the hackathon that we can configure to receive any amount of money and automatically spend 50% to you, 50% to me, and that's what I'm hoping to achieve during the hackathon. I've been involved in the Bitcoin space since 2011, almost 6 years now, and I'm absolutely fascinated by the technology and the abilities. And one of the things that always fascinated me about Bitcoin is the smart contracts part of it. And even though I've been developing and working on user interfaces for smart contracts and Bitcoin wallets, I haven't seen anything actually useful in this space. Nobody actually provides a useful smart contracts facility. No one actually provides a useful and functional decentralized autonomous organization facility. And I want to take those phrases, smart contracts, decentralized DOAs, decentralized organizations, private blockchains, micropayments. I want to take them all from the concepts, from the words that we're also used to using nowadays, into something that is actually usable, that everyday Joe can start using with the Nyikit platform. Smart contracts are just, for me, a way to automate a lot of the bureaucracy that we have. And I hope that the judges will see the potential in making those functionalities that are available in the cryptocurrency world into turning them into a workable product that users can finally tangibly use into something that we all know we want, we need. I hope the judges will see that as a benefit, as a value.